So, did you know that if you start your car, put it on drive, go down TTK Road, go down Avesham Salai, when you see this statue at the junction, just turn right into this gate. Reach your destination. Walk up to HTC. One of India's largest stationery and art supply stores. That's one in Chennai. Okay, I think it would be better with music.